Hey everyone, welcome back to Wellnessity today. We're diving into a natural remedy that has been used for centuries. Black seeds, also known as Nigella sativa, and their oil. We'll explore how they can promote hair growth and overall hair health. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what black seeds are. These tiny black, triangular seeds come from the Nigella sativa plant, which is native to South Asia. They've been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years and are known for their impressive health benefits. Rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, black seeds are believed to help with inflammation, digestion, and even skin health. But today, we're focusing on their benefits for our hair. So, what makes black seeds so effective for hair growth? Here are some key benefits. Nourishment. Black seeds are rich in nutrients that nourish the hair follicles, which can stimulate growth. Moisture retention. They help to retain moisture in the scalp, reducing dryness and preventing flakiness. Anti-inflammatory properties. The oil contains thymoquinone, an anti-inflammatory compound that can help soothe an irritated scalp, strengthening hair. Regular use can strengthen the hair shaft, reducing breakage and promoting overall thickness. Many people have reported noticeable improvements in their hair texture and growth after incorporating black seed oil into their routine. Now, let's talk about how to use black seed oil. It's super easy. Here's a simple method you can follow. Direct application. Take a few drops of black seed oil and massage it directly onto your. This promotes blood circulation and allows the oil to penetrate the hair follicles. DIY hair mask. You can also mix black seed oil with other nourishing oils like coconut or olive oil. Apply this mixture to your hair, leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then wash it out with your regular shampoo. Daily supplement. If you prefer, you can consume black seeds or oil as a supplement. Just be sure to consult a healthcare professional first. Here's a quick DIY recipe for a nourishing hair mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of black seed oil with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Apply it to your hair and leave it for 30 to 40 minutes before rinsing. Before you jump into using black seed oil, here are a few tips and precautions. Always do a patch test to avoid allergic reactions. Use cold-pressed black seed oil for maximum benefits. Be consistent. For best results, use it 2 to 3 times a week. So there you have it. Black seeds and their incredible benefits for hair growth. If you've tried them before, let us know your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on natural remedies and hair care. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.